Hey guys, Jarrett here. So I got this product to review and this hidden camera is awesome. This is so small and sleek that you wouldn't even know that this was anywhere. So if you wanted to really kind of watch over your home, watch your pets, watch your kids, and make sure that everything's okay, you could easily set this up in a little area, whether it be on a bookshelf, whether it be up high, down low. You could do that with. This is literally so small. It's about 1 to 2 inches wide here on the side. The height is about an inch and it's just a little cube. Now you have the option of just putting it down like this itself, just like so. And or it comes with this stand here that you just put it right on and it can stand up. On the back here, there is a adhesive so you can put this onto a wall and then bend this so that way that it's at an angle. You can do so. And then it also comes with a USB-C to a USB-A cord. The USB-C connects right here on the bottom of it and you just plug it right in and then you can charge it this way or you could just keep it plugged in and have it run that way. You'll know that it's on when it's blinking blue down here at the bottom. To power it on, you'll just put this over here on the side, and then it also has a spot here for an SD card. It doesn't come with one, so you're going to want to need to get one yourself, but aside from that, this is really simple to use. It does have cloud features and you do have the app that you can use as well, and it's really easy. It will run on your Wi-Fi. You can access this anywhere that you want. So if you have your cell phone and if you have a data connection, you could access this while you're at the airport to check on your family or to check on your pet while you're gone. Like the quality of the picture of it, I was able to capture both night and daytime, so infrared or just daytime scenes, and the quality is so good. This is about a 4K camera that you can use to capture everything in detail. Once again, very easy to set up. You can set it up right on your Wi-Fi network, use the app on your phone, and make sure your house is secure. So I would definitely recommend this.